Hey, welcome. I'm Roger Robinson, the video production instructor right here at Southwest High School. Go Griffins. I am super excited because of a couple of things. First of all this stuff you see here, this is brand new classroom, brand new computers, never been used before. All this for you. You are the reason that we have all this. And the Little Rock School District thinks that much of you that they pulled out all the stops. So this is our unboxing, okay? So I'm unboxing for you. I'm opening your gifts. I hope you don't mind, but I'm gonna have some fun. Okay, all these brand new, still in the box. How cool is that? All right, now I did say that this was going to be an unboxing, and technically we unboxed, but then the unboxing was unboxing into a box. So let's see what's in in those boxes, shall we? It still has the, what do you call it? The cover on it. It still has the wrapping paper. So I guess we may as well take if we're gonna do the unboxing, we may as well do the unwrapping as well. So here comes the unwrapping. Okay, well, this is nice enough. Brand new, look at that. Look at that. And you're going to be the very first one to use these computers. How cool is that? Okay, so moving on. Okay, so we're done with this part. I am only going to take the screen off of this one for right now though, because I'm hoping that the software is already installed, and if it is, then that's great. I want you guys to do the last part of the reveal by yourselves. I want everyone to unwrap their own computer. I hope this works out. Hey guys, thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope that you guys are excited about getting here so that you can take off the last piece of wrapping for each of your computers. Hopefully that will happen really, really soon. Until next time, I'm Roger Robinson, video production and photography teacher, Southwest High School. Go Griffins!